Hello darlings, my name's Stephen Davies and I'm the knob by the hob. Hello darlings, it's lunchtime and I've got a couple of guys working on the garden today, so I'm going to make them a nice hearty chicken sandwich. So first of all, what I've done is big breast. This is a particularly big breast chicken, a butterfly cut it. It's enough. And then I just put a little bit of olive oil on it. And I'm going to use Adam's family paprika. Just put a little tiny sprinkling of that on there. You don't have to do that. You can put some herbs on, a little bit of teriyaki sauce if you wanted to. And then I've got a griddle here. I'm just going to stick that on the griddle to cook. Leave that cooking. So while the chicken is cooking, I've done my onions again. So that's the red onion, and I've just marinated that in a little bit of olive oil, white wine vinegar, and some salt. Just leave that marinate for a bit. And then in the oven, I'm going to roast. I usually use the vine tomatoes. I didn't have them today, so it's just some little multicolored little tomatoes, heritage tomatoes, a pepper, and a couple of cloves of garlic. Sprinkle that with some olive oil. Again, put some garlicky salt and a little bit of pepper. And stick that in the oven to roast through. Again, I'm going to put the chicken salad on ciabatta. I like ciabatta bread. So slice it in half. Open it up. We'll grill it. Again, like I've done before. A little bit of olive oil, extra virgin, a little bit of the garlicky salt. Just put that into grill. Okay, I'm going to make now a little dressing, mayonnaise dressing to go with the salad. So, a couple of dollops of mayonnaise. You can use any mustard. I'm going to use this whole grain mustard. Spoonful of that. Teaspoon of that. And then, this is an ingredient I use quite a lot. It's basically, it's a roasted sweet pepper paste. Bought by this in Waitrose. Just put a couple of teaspoons of that in. Just mix that all together. And that would be your dressing for the chicken sandwich. Okay, so now we're going to build the salad. Now, normally what I would do is I'd have the tomatoes on the vine, just pick them up and plop them in there and pull them off and squash them in. But I said I don't have the vine tomatoes today. So I've roasted, this has just come out of the oven, it's all roasted. So the garlic, I'm going to do one piece first. So the garlic, I'll just rub that all down with toasted ciabatta. Then take some of the tomatoes. Quite nice, these multicolored ones. And then see that? Just squeeze them. Once they've been roasted, they just squash up really nicely. All over my white shirt, but I want it there. It's very important, I think, with the sandwich, to get everything to the edge. I hate that when you have a dry bit of a sandwich at the end. So squeeze everything onto the bread. Ciabatta's good because it just absorbs all this really nicely. Then I would then put the onion. A little bit of the onion on here. Then the chicken breast. Sometimes I put the whole, sometimes I spatchcock a baby chicken and put it on there, straight on there, like it is, but obviously I'm going to chop this up today. Chicken. I then put a little bit of this the mayonnaise peppery dressing on the top of the chicken. Then I'm going to put a little tiny bit of basil. And you can just serve it like that. I sometimes put a little side green salad, or it's just got olive oil and pepper in it, a little bit of salt. Or again, sprinkling of, this is rocket. This is rocket. Bit of green. And I would actually serve it like that, as an open sandwich. And there you go. Stephen's hearty chicken sandwich. So there we have it. That's my hearty chicken salad for the two lads that are doing the garden today.